Mr. Super Trick, Mr. Super Snitch. Yeah, you wanna kill me cause I fucked your bitch. You shoulda had your cape on tight that night, cause a nigga like the shot show plus some ride. And now your bitch is straight calling me, loving me. On or under for the porno star that I be. And don't you come in my face with that trick shit. You better try some more shit.
I got to get the grab any batch that I want, but I don't. Cause batches nowadays will get you caught up in some funk. Out now, I'm not trying to save you housing. How come when I was